Hello guys, I wanted to show you what changes I have to make to the buck cages, to the male rabbits. The wind was blowing water inside and their food was getting wet, and the floor as well. So I had to make something to stop this phenomenon to happen. So I came up with the idea to put some sheets of extruded styrofoam. It's 2 centimeters thick styrofoam. This styrofoam is also good for stopping the draft, because the draft was very great in these cages. The wind was blowing straight to the rabbits, and they were developing mild colds and other things related to the draft. So yeah, this is a temporary fix. Of course, in the summer this will go away. This fix is just for the winter, to stop rain and snow blowing inside the cage. Yes, I left this part for ventilation. The air will flow through this hole, and the space between the floor, so there's no shortage of fresh air. The lighting had to suffer a little bit, but that's okay, since the rabbits are more of a nocturnal type of animals. I did the same things to this cage, where I placed the half-breed German butterfly that I acquired the other day. In this cage I had exactly the same problem with rain and snow, but now they are okay, and this styrofoam, extruded styrofoam, helps the rabbits to stay dry, and of course they use it as a cover from the wind. I will make that cage also exactly the same, but only a half, but only this half. Yes, because it is a bigger cage meant for young bunnies. After I take them from the mother, overall this is not a nice fix, but it is a good fix that will serve me at least until spring. Let's hope this winter will not be so harsh. If you have your cages in open space like I do, at least these cages, you can use this system to protect your bunnies. That's it for today. Hope you enjoyed this video. If you enjoyed it, please subscribe to see more of this, and of course leave a like or a comment if you have any ideas of how to protect the rabbits in the winter. And until next time, take care of you and your rabbits. See ya.